Imagine if you could drill a hole straight through the earth. What secrets would you uncover and what chaos would ensue? Picture this. You've got a massive drill, the kind that could bore through rock, magma, and all the way to the other side of the globe. Sounds crazy, right? Well, let's dive into this wild scenario and the physics of our planet. First off, if you could somehow start drilling right here on the surface, you'd quickly encounter a layer of crust, which is thicker beneath continents and thinner beneath oceans. Your drill would slice through the crust, hitting rocks, minerals, and all the wonders that lie beneath. Think ancient fossils and sparkling gems. As you descend deeper, you'd encounter the mantle, where temperatures soar into the thousands of degrees and the pressure is immense. Now, at this point, your drill wouldn't just be facing tough rocks. It'd have to contend with semi-molten rock and magma. Imagine your drill melting before your eyes. If you somehow made it through the mantle, you'd reach the outer core, which is liquid iron and nickel swirling around like a cauldron. And just when you thought it couldn't get much crazier, you'd hit the solid inner core, which is hotter than the surface of the sun. But we haven't even scratched the surface of the consequences. If you managed to drill a straight hole all the way through the earth, and let's say you could jump into it, things would get wild. Initially, you'd experience a free fall, accelerating towards the center of the earth, which sounds exhilarating until you reach the gravity-neutral point. At that center, gravity cancels itself out, and you'd be floating in a bizarre, weightless state. But here's where it gets even more mind-bending. If you kept going, you'd eventually start falling to the other side. Imagine oscillating back and forth. You'd constantly be pulled between two end points, forever bouncing. But that's assuming you survived the extremes of temperature and pressure and didn't turn into a melted puddle of goo. Another thought. What would happen to the surface? A massive hole through the earth could disrupt tectonic plates, potentially triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The sudden changes in pressure and temperature might even alter weather patterns. Plus, good luck explaining to your friends why you vanished into an endless pit, or why the earth started shaking. Drilling through earth presents endless possibilities and catastrophic scenarios that lead us to realize just how wild and dynamic our planet really is. While it sounds exciting, it's a reminder of the incredible, and sometimes terrifying, forces that lie just beneath our feet. What would you do if you could explore the depths of the earth? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing ideas.